Hey guys, it's Funtech and today we are going to discuss a brand new camera by DJI, and this camera is called DJI Osmo Pocket. This is very tiny looking camera and it's so cool. We are not having it yet, but it can be possible with your support. So before that I was having a DJI Osmo mobile too, but unfortunately I was not able to make a review of that for you. But now there is something different. DJI has launched its very small size camera along with 3-axis gimbal to maintain a smoothness level. Let's talk what we are blessed with and how DJI has managed this product in very small size. Basically it is very tiny, and if we called it a finger held then it will not be wrong at all. It is having a tiny touchscreen in center and a record on off mode button below that, a USB type C port for charging at bottom and a micro SD card slot at the side, and some clip to mount the Osmo mobile to your iPhone, iPad or any other Android device. Osmo Pocket is having 12 megapixel camera with 1 over 2.3 inch small sensor and have 26mm f2.0 lens with 80-degree field of view and ISO range from 100 to 3200. It can shoot video up to 4K 60 FPS like GoPro Hero 7, and it has a weight of just 116 grams. Let's talk about the battery. It has a 875 mAh of LiPo battery, and that gives you about 140 minutes of shooting time while you are shooting in 1080p 30 fps, and the battery takes about 90 minutes to charge completely. It provides object tracking, face tracking, some time lapse and hyperlapse, and also you don't need micro SD card when the Osmo Pocket is attached with your phone, and it can store directly on your phone. It's capable of entertaining everyone with its small size, and I'm looking forward to have one, but I need you guys to support me out. So like, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace out.